Hello students, I am Safdar sir from Jesus and Mary Academy. I have uploaded this video to cover the chapter 1 of class 4 for both the sections A and B. But I suggest the students of standard 3rd and standard 5th also to watch this video to get some advantages as they have also to face the same topic earlier or later. The title of the chapters is Storage and Memory Devices of Computer. Students, after completing these chapters or watching this video, you will be able to define the data and informations. You will also be able to understand the basic facts of data and storage units. You will be able to differentiate between internal memory and external memory. It will also be helpful to know about the primary and secondary storage devices. Now let us start the chapter. Data and information. Students, you know that computer is a machine. Computer does not understand the language that we speak. It means computer has its own language. And the language of computers is known as computer languages. Computer language is totally different from the human language. Computer language consists of zeros and one, and the language formed with zeros and one is also known as binary language. Computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter data and instructions to make it work. Now the question is, what is data? Data is whatever we type or input with the help of any input device such as keyboard, mouse or any other, like any name, any sentence or any number. That is data. In other words, we can say that data is the raw facts and figures. When you type something or give instructions with the help of any input device, it goes into the CPU, and in the CPU, the data that you have entered is processed according to your instructions. This processed data is known as information. It means information is the process data. Data storage units. Students, when you go to the market to buy some solid things, the shopkeeper measure the things with a standard units such as gram, kilogram, etc. In the same way, computer has also a standard unit to measure the memory of it. Byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabytes, and many other are some of the units to measure the memory of computers. All the informations stored in the computer is represented by 0 and 1. These two digits 0 and 1 are called binary digits. A byte, which is the standard unit to measure the memory of a computer, is a group of 8 bits. Each digit of a byte is known as a bit. A group of 4 bits is called a nibble. For example, 11100110, which is a set of 8 bits, is equal to 1 byte. Whereas 1110, which is a set of 4 bits, is equal to 1 nibble. We have one more examples. 0110, it is also a group of 4 bits, is equal to 1 nibble. Types of memory. Computer memory is a storage space in computer where data and instructions required for processing are stored. Our computer has basically two types of memory: internal and external. Let us understand internal and external memory with the help of the chart. Types of memory. I have just told you that computer has two types of memory, internal and external. Internal memory is also known as primary memory, and it is of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM is volatile in nature, whereas ROM is non-volatile in nature. Volatile means something which stores data for a short period of time. Non-volatile means something which can hold or store data forever. Next is external memory. External memory we will see in details after some time. We have some examples of external memory such as floppy, CD, hard disk, pen drive, etc. Internal memory. It is also called primary memory. It is the main memory of the computers. It is present on the motherboard. Internal memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. The pictures which you are looking at the right side of the screens is the pictures of RAM. RAM. It is used for holding the data for a short period of time. Its data gets erased when the computer is switched off. Now next is ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. It holds the instructions given by the manufacturer to operate the computers. It is permanent memory. There are three types of ROM: PROM, EPROM, EEPROM. Now, the next one is external memory. External memory, which is also known as secondary memory, is used to store large amount of data and instructions permanently. This memory is also called backup storage. The main memory of the computers is volatile in nature and also has a very limited storage capacity. That is why we need some of the storage devices which can hold or store data for a longer period of time. For this purpose, we use different types of external memory which are available in the market. Data on the backup device or external memory is transferred to the main memory as and when processing is required. Secondary memory can be used to store many gigabytes of data. It is much cheaper than the main memory. Floppy disk, hard disk, DVD, pen drive are some examples of the secondary storage devices. Now let us see some of the external storage devices and their uses. The first is hard disk. Hard disk is found in every computer. It is a very common secondary storage device. This device stores all the softwares and data. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It can store huge amount of data. Next is CD. CD is a portable device. Now the question is, what does the portable mean? The word portable means something which can be carried place to place easily. CD is a portable device. It can store large amount of data. A standard CD which is of 120 mm can hold up to 700 megabyte of data. Next is DVD. DVD is also a portable device. It looks very much similar to that of a CD, but as far as storing capacity is concerned, it can store 7 times more data than a CD. It is used to store and distribute high quality of audio as well as video files. Next is Bluray Disc. Blu-ray disc also looks very much similar to that of a CD and a DVD. It is used for recording, rewritings, and playback of high definitions HD video. It is also used to store large amount of data. It can store 5 times more data than a traditional DVD. Next is pen drive. Pen drive is a small drive device. In fact, this is portable in nature and can store large amount of data in it. Pen drive is also called a flash drive. Next is cloud storage. Cloud storage is a service for storing the data online. A user just needs an internet connections to access the data online. Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox are the popular cloud storage devices providers. Students, in this way, I have completed each and every part of chapter 1 of your new book. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I suggest you to watch this video many a times to understand the topic and the chapter clearly. At last, I am suggesting you to complete the exercise given at the end of the chapter on your own. You are most welcome in the private chat sections of Teno app if you have any query related with the chapter and the exercise. Thank you.